There is so much happening in the world of artificial intelligence. The news is going crazy. There are 1,000 tools every single week. How is it going to affect you? What is it going to do to your role? How is it going to affect your business? What about your department? How do you remain competitive? There's so much to know. I cannot wait to see you guys at Vodacom. This keynote is going to blow your mind away. This is a keynote that I have now done to over 5,000 executives all over the world in the last 6 months. It's crazy. I will help you unlock whether or not this will disrupt you or you will disrupt the competition. And it's all about understanding where the real risks are and the actual opportunities lie. I talk about the red pill, where I want you to join me on my red island. And on that island, there's no Wi-Fi power. Yes, ESCOM, stuff you. And there's absolutely no more meat left because I'll have beaten you there and eaten it all. It's a small island, yeah, it's a small island. But I'm on that island because I know the power of generative AI. Or come and join us with the blue pill. And when you take that blue pill, it's about augmenting AI into your everyday functions, into what your business does, using AI to its full power, understanding when to use generative AI, when not, and when to use all the other genres of AI. The team at Vodacom and I are definitely going on a Gen AI journey.